morning scrape is just it's something to live for. After you do that scrape and then you do a flood, just sick. Scratching our heads like what? You know, it's all totally new things here. So
it's going to take you less maintenance at the end.
Oh, 100%. I'm looking at the edges already. I don't even have any side ice going up the sides or nothing. You know, like ice maintenance is going to be totally saving time for us here. And the scoring on the ice, phenomenally sick. I mean, I'm used to these big gouges and patching and all this stuff. Nothing. Even my guys come out to move the nets today, and they're, Wayne, they were going hard. What's with it? I said, I know, Wayne. This is just great. You know, I can have a spoon now instead of a shovel. There's no snow. I mean, this little edge here, we have to build it to come out, and that's after 2 days. That's only the snow we got for 2 days to patch that up. Like the players, especially the midgets, they all came to the gate and said, "This is the ice of the ice. This is just marvelous ice." You know? I mean, excellent. So I'm really happy. You know.